And we're back. This time I'm going to show you another way to create pie charts in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start with the ellipse tool. We give it a fill color, make it red, and we align properly. Hold shift when you create it, you've got a perfect circle, then press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and we've copied and pasted it in front, and we'll give it a different color. We'll repeat the process a couple of times. So now we've got 4 circles in total and they're all on top of each other. Let's go to the first one, the orange one, and then drag this little circle icon counterclockwise, and you've got the orange one reduced. Let's do that for the blue one, the green one. And we've got a red one behind it. It's a full circle. As you can see, it looks like a pie chart because we have these overlaps. Let's just say you don't want to do it by hand, you have exact numbers that you want to use. You can go to shape, and there you have it, the pie start and the pie end angle. 0 degrees is right where you see the icon. So if we go to 30 degrees, we go upwards, counterclockwise 30 degrees from this position on. And this is the starting position. We can adjust that like this. And then group it, resize it, align it properly. Hold Shift and Alt when you resize it so that it keeps its proportions. And you can still treat everything like a regular circle. For example, you can select it all and then add a stroke to it. Let's do this. We'll give it a black stroke over here, and we will increase the stroke weight to 2 points. Let me zoom in now, hold Alt and use the mouse wheel for that. So for many projects, this is a fast way to create pie charts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.